Weight loss motivation: how to find it and keep it. Everyone who has ever tried to lose weight knows that the really big issue is motivation. Where do we find it? How do we keep it going? And what do we do when it slips away? To be successful in losing weight, you have to find your own motivation. More importantly, you must stay motivated even when times are tough. Read through the tips and tricks below and other resources to help you find and maintain your motivation. Set your goals and set a realistic time frame to achieve them. 100% committed to them. Keep it in writing. Write in as much detail as possible why you need to lose weight, how much you are going to lose, when and how. The more you commit to the paper, the better. Keep a notebook with you and use it to record thoughts and ideas, recipes, quotes, whatever will inspire you and keep you moving. Tell a friend or family member and ask them to help you stick with your plan. Remember that you are losing weight and improving your health one day at a time. You can do anything for a day. Ignore the junk that you are removing from your diet. Instead, celebrate the healthy foods you've been putting in. Make bullet points of your main motivational issues and write them on a stack of cards. Display cards where you'll see them regularly, on your bathroom mirror, in your purse, in your car. Create a mantra to repeat to yourself when times get tough. For example, every day I'm improving my health, my looks, and my well-being. I'm getting stronger in every way. Consider seeking sponsorship from friends and family for a good cause. Perhaps you can raise money for hungry children while you control your food? Start a file, recipes and any other interesting titles you read. Start another file of fashion and wardrobe ideas. Plan what you'll need to buy when you shrink a size or two. Buy a piggy bank and fill it with a specific amount for every pound you lose. You can use it for your new outfits. Find someone to share experiences with, and laugh your way through tough times. If you think you are overweight, and you want to lose weight fast, then product link given in description, please find from there. And buy it. Please like our video and subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon and share our videos to your overweight friend, relatives and neighbor. Thanks for watching.